Hey everybody, I am so excited to tell you about our brand new tablet interpreting manual. This one is jam-packed with information. There are chapters on iPad, Android, and Windows Surface tablets in there. So no matter which device you have, you will have the opportunity to learn about that device. And to make matters even better, at the end of every chapter, we've got our recommendations on the best apps regardless of which kind of tablet you have to do what we're talking about in those chapters. In addition to preparation, consecutive, and using a tablet in the booth, there are two brand new chapters. The first one, you can join us and geek out about our favorite tablet accessories, from battery packs to cables to cases to keyboards to styluses. We'll give you the scoop on all of them. And then a chapter that I'm super excited about, which is about using a tablet to teach interpreting. We know we've got lots of colleagues that are out there that are teachers, whether they're teaching on-site or in remote settings. We will talk you through how you can use your tablet to do that. There's lots of really cool tips and exercises right there in that chapter. So it's pretty darn exciting, right?